The use of the word sorry and make in Nigerian Pidgin English. Welcome to BDNP, Breaking Down Nigerian Pidgin English. Sorry. Nigerian Pidgin English has extended this word's original English meaning. The word's dictionary meaning is that it is an exclamation to indicate an apology or to ask an interlocutor to repeat or clarify something you don't understand during a conversation. In Nigerian Pidgin English, however, it is used as an exclamation not just to express apology, but to express concern or sympathy for a person who has a freak accident, such as when somebody slips and falls, or a person who has suffered a personal tragedy, such as when a person loses a loved one. Nigerians say sorry whether or not they are personally responsible for the accident or the misfortune of the person to whom they say sorry to. So you have to get used to this word in Nigerian Pidgin English. It is very, very crucial. Sorry. Make. Make is one of the most popular words you hear a lot in Nigerian Pidgin English. It could be used like the English meaning, which means to produce something, often using a particular substance or material. However, it is mostly used in other meanings in Nigerian Pidgin English. The phrase make in Nigerian Pidgin English is generally used as the verb let in English language. For example, make we go. Let's go. Make I tell you something. Let me tell you something. Make she ask her friend. Let her ask her friend. Make we relax. Let's relax. Make in Nigerian Pidgin English can also be used for advice or warning, like in the modal verbs should and must in English language. For example, make you take the COVID vaccine. You should take the COVID vaccine. Advice. Make una no go that restaurant again. Make you try stop to smoke. Tell her make she go see doctor. Make you no worry, everything go dey fine. These are all advices. Warning and prohibition. Make you no come my house again. Make you no park your car here. Make una leave me alone. Make she no try that nonsense with me. Guys, this is where we draw the curtain on today's episode of Breaking Down Nigerian Pidgin English. If you have any question, please feel free to drop it right down there in the comment section. I'll be glad to answer all your questions. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next lesson. Keep it locked on Breaking Down Nigerian Pidgin English. Peace is in. Bye.